Welcome to Azure Data Factory tutorials. In this video, we are going to discuss the pipelines and activities. This is the theoretical video. In upcoming videos, we are going to discuss the practical or demo session. So let me explain a scenario. So I have a source. From the source, I need to copy the data into sink. So to copy the file from source to sink, I need to use the copy activity. So this is one of the activity. So this activity can be performed under the pipeline. So this is the only introduction part. So under the pipeline, we are following the other services also, like that link to services and data sets. This one also will learn in the upcoming videos. So let me explain. So pipelines. A pipeline is a logical grouping of activities that perform a unit of work. Let me go back. So what happened here is logical connectivity. So as I'm copying only one file, that's the reason I'm taking only copy activity. But we can perform the different activities together also here. Together activities in a perform task. A data factory might have one or more pipeline, so we can perform n number of pipelines at a time. The benefit of this is that the pipelines allows you to manage the activities as a set. So what happened here? So we are using here multiple activities as a set instead of managing each individually. The activities in pipeline can be chained together to operate sequentially. So what happened? So we can perform the activity sequentially, or they can operate independently in parallel. That means the activities can perform one by one or all together. So activity. So activity represents a processing step in a pipeline. So activity is a processing step. For example, you might use a copy activity to copy data from data store to another data store, as I showed in the previous video, from the source to sink. Data Factory supports three types of activities. The first one is data movement activities, data transformation activities, and control activities. I will show you in demo session. Thank you for the